Here I have POCO M2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then select power off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up for a couple of seconds like this, and after the POCO logo appears you can release power key and keep holding only volume up, just like this. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select the last option safe mode, and after that device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is the proof that we're in a safe mode right now. So if you want to quit this mode, just restart your device, and after that it will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.